go screaming by, but I can't hear a thing inside my mind. I couldn't even shout to ask you why you stopped believing. No sound to this heartbeat, I only feel the trains beneath my feet. The ground is shaking now, oh is it me? 'Cause I've lost all feeling in this quiet place. These are silent times, the words wither away, just like a flower that dies. There's nothing left to say. You tell yourself you're fine, but inside you despise your quiet lies. There's no way to disguise what's in your eyes, the tears that are streaming. And how can you explain when no one understands a word you say, and everything that's left will fade to gray and lose all its meaning? What to say? These are silent times, the words wither away, just like a flower that dies. There's nothing left to say. And these are silent times, we hide it all away. There's nothing left but space. There's nothing left to say. Silence is all you left behind. Its only purpose to remind me of the time I can't rewind. There's nothing left to say. Words only break your heart again. Too late to ever make amends. Lost all your faith and confidence. There's nothing